Greetings everyone, I'm Dr. Anth. In this video, I will talk about some problems with assigning sex at birth. Hang on to your hats! Most of you probably know the basic information that a female is XX and a male is XY. XX means that the individual has received an X chromosome from mom and an X chromosome from dad. XY means that the individual has received an X chromosome from mom and a Y chromosome from dad. Now, for the majority of individuals, it is the case that XX equals female and XY equals male, but biology is not that simple. Y does not always equal male. Many things can happen during the production of eggs and sperm that do not result in a simple XX or XY baby. In other cases, genes may not function properly. Let's start with making eggs and sperm. This process is called meiosis. It involves doubling the 46 chromosomes in a cell to 92 and then reducing the number of chromosomes in a two-step process to get eggs or sperm with only 23 chromosomes. Things can go wrong at each step that could lead to eggs or sperm that do not have the correct number of chromosomes, either too many or too few. In the majority of cases, a sperm or egg with the wrong number of chromosomes will create a zygote, a fertilized egg, that will not survive. However, if the problem is the number of sex chromosomes in the egg or sperm, then in most cases the zygote will survive. The one major exception with sex chromosome number is that a zygote with only a Y chromosome and no X cannot survive as too much genetic information is missing. The X has far more genetic information than does the Y chromosome. One of the most common sex chromosome differences is called Kleinfelter Syndrome. A baby is born and assigned male at birth due to the presence of a penis. However, during the teen years, this individual does not go through puberty. This teen will generally have an analysis of the chromosome number done, at which point it will be found that the individual is XXY or XXXY or even XXXXY. The extra X's are the result of a problem in the creation of the eggs or sperm. In this image, the problem occurs in the creation of eggs. In the first cell, the two X chromosomes double. Following the upper blue line, we see what should happen in the first step. The lower red line shows what happens when the X chromosomes do not divide as they should. The end result is an egg that has two X chromosomes rather than one. In this image, the problem occurs in the creation of sperm. The creation of sperm is in blue, while the creation of eggs is in pink. Only one large egg is created rather than the four small ones shown. The other three are reabsorbed by the body. The resulting pink egg has only one X chromosome, but two of the four blue sperm have problems. One sperm has both an X and a Y chromosome, while another sperm has neither. In each of these cases shown in the images, the result is an XXY individual. It is even possible that a zygote could be created from an egg and a sperm that both have too many sex chromosomes. The extra X's prevent the teen from developing the secondary sexual characteristics typical of an adult male. These individuals are also infertile. As can be seen, this individual appears more similar to a teen or adult female than to a teen or adult male. I mentioned earlier that a zygote with no X chromosome cannot survive. However, a zygote with a single X chromosome can survive. These Turner syndrome individuals are female, but at least 98% of such individuals are infertile. Individuals with Turner syndrome are obvious at birth. The third case I will discuss is called Androgen Insensitivity Syndrome. In this syndrome, the sex chromosomes are XY. However, the cells have a genetic problem and do not respond to androgen testosterone. Androgens during fetal development drive an XY fetus to develop along a male pattern. However, If the fetal cells do not respond to androgen, they will develop along a female pattern. The baby will appear female. Females with androgen insensitivity do not menstruate as they do not have ovaries or a uterus, so they are infertile. They do have a clitoris and a vagina. Until they have a chromosomal analysis as a teen or adult, they will not know that their chromosomes are XY rather than XX. These women will not respond to testosterone as teens or adults, despite having XY chromosomes, as the cells will not respond to the hormone. They are women. As I've shown, assigning sex at birth can be problematic. Everyone is not either XX or XY. Therefore, the appropriate response to this biological reality is to let individuals choose their own path. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.